Good morning. In previous class, we studied and discussed about basic logic gates like OR gate, AND gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. Just have a glance on the truth table of each logic gates. And also we discussed about combinational logic circuit. In our previous class, such as the design of combinational logic circuits and methods of combinational logic circuits and etc. Now, today we will discuss about half adder and full adder. Before discussing about half adder and full adder, we should know what is the meaning of adder. An adder is a digital circuit that performs additions of numbers. In processor, it is used to calculate addresses and other similar operations. Now, half adder. Half adder means a circuit which performs addition of 2 bits, means it requires 2 binary inputs and simultaneously it gives 2 binary output. Now, here you can see the block diagram of half adder. In this you can able to see 2 binary inputs A and B and 2 outputs sum and carry. The truth table of half adder is if both the inputs is low, that is 0 and 0, then output of sum and carry will be low. Now, if A is low and B is high, then the output of sum will be high and carry will be low. Next, if input A is high and B is low, then output, as you can able to see in truth table, the carry is low and the sum is high. And lastly, if both the inputs A and B are high, then output of carry is high and sum is low. When we conclude this truth table, then we will get 2 Boolean function. I think you all remember the Boolean function which I already covered. The expression of sum will be x bar y plus x y bar, that is x XOR y. For carry, x and y. Here if you will observe, for sum we are using XOR gate and for carry we are using AND gate. Now, according to this, we are trying to make the half adder circuit. As I have told, half adder circuit is combination of XOR and AND gate, means we can make half adder circuit with the help of these 2 gates only. Now please observe this circuit diagram and also observe the truth table. Now, application of half adders are: the half adders is to perform addition of binary bits, the arithmetic and logic unit present in the computer. The combination of half adder circuits leads to the formation of the full adder circuit. These logic circuits are preferred in the design of calculators. To calculate the address and table, these circuits are preferred. Instead of only addition, these circuits are capable of handling various applications in the digital circuit. By this, I think you all understood the definitions of half adder and its applications. The main disadvantage of half adder is that it is having only two binary inputs and it is not effective. To overcome this, we use the full adder circuit. In this, one more bit is added as an input, which is known as carry in. So, in full adder, total 3 inputs are there and it is having 2 outputs, that is sum and carry out. If we see the truth table of full adder, here if all the 3 inputs are low, that is A is 0, B is 0, C in is also 0, then sum and carry out will be low. Same conditions we will observe accordingly to the truth table. When we will solve the K-map of the Boolean function for full adder is for sum, the sum is A XOR B XOR C in, that is carry in. Here we are using only XOR gates. For carry out, Boolean function is A and B plus carry in bracket A XOR B. Now please carefully observe this full adder circuits and tally these circuits with your truth table. As you see here, in this circuit we are using 3 basic logic gates. They are XOR gate, AND gate and OR gate. Now we will discuss about the applications of the full adder. A full adder can be used as a part of many other larger circuit like ripple carry adder. It adds n bits at a time. Multiplication circuits. The dedicated multiplication circuits, it is used in arithmetic logic units. One of the circuit is a full adder to generate memory addresses inside the computers. It is used to make the program counters point to the next instructions. By this time, I think you all understood about the full adder and half adder. So at last we will discuss about the difference between the half adder and full adder. Now definitions. The half adder adds 2-bit digit. Then in full adder is added 3 1-bit digit. Half adder is having 2 data bits A and B. In full adder is having inputs 3 data bits. They are A, B and carry in. Half adder output is sum and carry, and in full adder the outputs are sum and carry out. In half adder, the previous carry is not used, but in full adder, previous carry is used. In half adder, we are using XOR gate and AND gate, but in full adder, we will use XOR gate, AND gate and also OR gate. Half adder we will use in calculators and computers, and the full adder we will use in digital processors. Hope you all understood the topic. Thank you.